So the MONAD airdrop is here, and you probably have some difficulties to go and claim it, so I'm gonna tell you how to do it, and we jump straight onto the laptop. As we see here, I was able to go and sell my allocation 88,000 for 2.1k. Now, how do you do it? Well, this is the website over on MONAD that you're able to go and see here, and where you're able to go and see your allocation on the wallet that you did go and put it. So we're gonna go to bridge and go to jumper. Don't do the native one, don't do the other one, go to jumper and do the bridging over here. As we see here, you will be redirected to this page, which is exactly the one that I have done over here on Jumper. I did it with the wallet. Now, I did receive that over on my Ethereum Solana wallet. So we're gonna go here and simply click over here, all the way down. You will click on MONAD. And if you click onto the select network MONAD and then the MONAD token, you will be able to go and put it. And then we were gonna be able to go and send it anywhere else. In this case, I did Solana USDT. As you see here, I did receive my allocation and go and put how much you want. So it is very, very simple, very straightforward. I am checking also over here on the Discord and everything that they don't seem to be helping anybody. The community is just hating it. And as we see here, it is also going slowly, it is going down in terms of the price. But real fast, guys, if you want to come and trade in this uncertainty period over here on Wix, which are the partner of my channel, you do have a 70,000 price pool awaits, and you simply deposit $100 or more and you get $2,000 on an airdrop position, which means you will open a $40 50 leverage at your choice, up or down. So you could be making a lot of money with this simple one. I will leave you the link down below. But back to the MONAD one, as we see here, either on Jumper Exchange, it is the best solution out there. Absolutely yes. And as we see here, if we go and check over my Solana wallet, now they are on my Solana wallet, and this is why I do like it. Now we can go and check also all the other bridging and prices and all of that. Let's go and check over on the blockchain, because it does look like the best place to go and check the price. It is at 2.25. I sold at 2.4, something like that, but it is slowly going down day by day. Now, another place that you can go and simply go and trade it, it is also on Hyperliquid, which if you haven't done it yet, I will leave you the link down below to go and join Hyperliquid, which it is going to have an airdrop. But if you go over here to the trade, by the way, I do have a long open on Hype. Simply go and search for MONAD and you are able to go and trade as well. Now over here, it is trading at 25 cents, but we have seen it with the mainnet launch. It is going straight down. Now, why did I go and sell, and what was my decision to go and sell? I don't think that without the community, like they have like zero community that MONAD has, I don't think we can see it. I mean, it is at the same price of the pre-sale, so basically you didn't lose nor gain anything if you join the pre-sale. But I don't think that this one will actually go that much up because the community is not there. In terms of the price, as we see it also here, this is what the Hyperliquid one is. But if we're gonna go and simply check over on the also this one, the MONAD scan, which it is the price, or simply go back to the MONAD page and their token itself. As we see here, it is kind of going back up now at 2.3 cents. Nonetheless, I have sold and I think I'm good with it. You can sell it as well, or you can hold it. Let me know down in comments below. But I have decided to go and sell it. I just don't think it is worth it to keep it. Now, it could potentially skyrocket to 3 cents, and yes, I could have lost a bit, or 4 cents or 5 cents. But in terms of market cap, with the condition of the market right now, which we are in, which it is with Bitcoin and Ethereum going extremely down, with extreme fear in the market, I do not think that MONAD can really go much higher. It could be a way for people to get money and just recoup money in the case that they have lost it. So I am more skeptical than optimist on it, simply because of that reason. If people made, like myself, $2,000, we are more propen to go and sell it and try to recoup any losses that we had occurred during these crazy times. The tech is there, everything is there, but as we see here, the community is absolutely not there. And we know how projects go, and we've seen Zora, we've seen all the others, we've seen Blast, we've seen all the other major L1. And as we see here, I don't know, it's something that I probably won't be, and I am not holding at all, because I have already sold. Right here you can see my selling, as we see here, the history of my Jumper exchange. I have sold it. So thank you, Jumper, for the straightforward situation that you gave us. You're able to go and sell it on Jumper. their actual portal doesn't even work, their monad actual bridge doesn't even work, which is already telling me a lot. And as we see here, the price keeps on going up and down, but nonetheless I have sold. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao guys.